Good evening to all of you. So in this particular presentation, I will be just taking you across the use of our newly launched tool, Gann analysis tool. So this is the icons of this particular tool. So once you open this particular application, so it will be giving you the user ID and password to enter. So once you enter the user ID and password, you will be logged into the software. So post login, you will be getting this expiry when your software is going to be get expired. So here we have given for price analysis, we have given different tools, and for time analysis also we have given different tools. So for the price analysis, we have given Gann square of 9, square of 12, Gann angle and volatility, and the midpoint method. So this is very successful method for intraday trader. And for the time analysis, we have given that Gann time analyzer. So this time analyzer having 5 different principles of Gann's method is being used. So here, so two reference things we have taken. One is the previous month, another is the trailing 1 month. So I need to select the instruments here. Suppose if I am going for the stock future and I am just going to choose Reliance. So few letters of Reliance I have to type, the symbol will pop up and I will just select that symbol. Then I will be going for the previous month and the slowdown analysis. Once I load this data, I will be getting different studies, time studies we have put into in this particular software. So one is the reference being taken for the from the low angle. So this is a method already I have explained in many of my presentations. So previous month's data, it says that the 9th September, 24th and 26th September are the critical days of the trend reversal. If I am taking the reference from the high angle, then 17th and 21st is coming as the trend reversal dates. Same way we have taken from the static angle, Gann angle and high-low squaring method. So here too also we have given a note that which are the methods is more, you can say, more reliable and more on the major trend change. So here all these methods what are being used, we have just grouped into two categories. One is the trend major trend change dates and another group will give you the minor trend change dates. So major trend change means that time it is a new high, new low or a trend reversal may happen. And whenever I say that it's a minor trend change, it may be a consolidation, it may be a small correction in the price. So these are the things is the minor trend change dates also you can see. So this is what the time analysis is, and we have also used the Gann angle principle, we have also used the Pivonic principle and high-low squaring method also. So here, so different principles of time analysis is being programmed here. So as per the Pivonic, no dates are coming for the trend reversal. And same way we have given one summary section here. So which are the days are critical for this Reliance stock by taking the previous month data as the reference, and we have given it is the which are the days are the major trend change dates and which are the minor trend change dates. So this is if you are taking the reference from the previous month. Same way you can also take the reference from the trailing 1 month, means from today to past 1 month if I take, so what are the trend change dates I can expect. So sometimes the new high will be created, new low will be created, some trend change happen, or the monthly high and low will be changing, the trailing 1 month's high and low will be changing. So this is two tabs are being given, one to see for the current month, another for the next month. So same method is being utilized. However, your reference changes from previous month to trailing 1 month. So these two, both the methods are important. However, you need to see the methods which is applicable for the major trend change and which are the for the minor trend change. So how it is going to benefit you if you are a long or short in a position, and this is a trend change date is falling, you can think of hedging that position. Or if you are into a position which has given you a good amount of profit, then you can think of, before the trend change happens, you can think of quitting that position or booking the profit. Or if you are holding a position and it is into the losses, instead of hurriedly closing that position and coming out, you can think of a trend change date and just hold post that trend change day so that you can able to take the benefit. So this many ways this timing calculation can help you to book the profit in proper time, sometimes to hold the position if the position is in loss, to hold it for couple of days to get a benefit of trend reversal, or you can think of hedging the position if the trend change is expected also. So this is about the time analysis. Same way you have given for the Gann square of 9, 12 and Gann angle and volatility and midpoint calculator. And this time analysis also is being given in the manual edition. So if you can just put the high formation price, high formation, low formation price and high formation date, which date the high has been formed and which date the low is being formed. So and how many trading days in between that, because calendar days it can pick it up, calculate. However, trading days may vary based on its number of holidays and other things present. So if you just give all these informations, you can do the time analysis here, but it will be having limited accuracy. If you go for the automated calculation, it may have the benefit of data punctuation errors and other things will be eliminated. So coming to the Gann square of 9, so here too also we have used the same concept of Gann square of 9, where the numbers or the prices being arranged in the different or in a 9 by 9 wheel, and the cardinal points are the supports and resistances. So more on Gann square of 9 you can able to find out in our website. So here, suppose if I am taking the Nifty and just going for the buy decision, so this is the first cycle, second cycle and third cycle I am getting. And if I want to see the square of 9 wheel, I can see in this order. So Gann square of 9 wheel is this one. And if I want to see only the values, so where to buy and what will be the targets and what will be the stop losses, I can follow from here. So if I, so this methods will be for your Gann square of 9. And same way also I can derive the sell trends. So sell trends also I can derive. So if I just choose the sell options and calculate, so this also you can say, so here I can select the index as an instrument and Nifty, and I can just go for the expiry and sell decision. If I hit the calculate button also, it can give you where to sell, what will be the targets in different cycles. So these are the cycles of the intraday. So these cycles what we are giving, it is for the intraday cycle. For today you have got it. So once you go for the second cycle, the first cycle last target will act as a stop loss, and once you go for the third cycle, the second cycle's last target will act as a stop loss. So this is the method of Gann square of 9. Same way we have given Gann square of 12 and we have given the Gann angle and volatility. Gann angle and volatility is one of the most accurate method for intraday trade. So if you follow this particular method, you will realize that it has a great amount of success. Here we have just accommodated the concept of volatility into the Gann angle. So here two cycles you get. One is for the uptrend cycles, second is for the downtrend cycles. So once the uptrend cycle 1 you are buying, then you will be having the downtrend cycle 1 as your stop loss, and once you are buying at the uptrend cycle 2, then your downtrend cycles uptrend cycles last target will act as a stop. On Gann angle and volatility, you will find out many videos in our website also. So same way we have added the midpoint calculator here. The midpoint method of intraday trading. So you can also, this is also one of the good method for intraday trading. So it's one of the very good method for the intraday trading. So you can choose the instruments same way. So same way you can choose the instruments. So here same way you can just select the instruments. So I am choosing the Nifty and select the expiry, and I will be hitting the button. So this will give me the uptrend and downtrend. And midpoint method, what we used to do as per the Gann's squaring method. So you used to find out the maximum how much the price can go today and minimum how much the price can come today. Then after we used to analyze and get those levels. So this method is also a good method you can utilize for intraday trade. So any method you can follow for the intraday trade, either square of 9 or CAP or midpoint, any one you follow, so that and you can get benefit of the Gann study. And this is also having the timing analysis as I have shown you. So this is more important for you to know that yes, the timing of the market is very important when the trend change is expected, and what is the impact of trend change will happen on your portfolio. So all these things you can able to do in this timing analysis. Good. Timing analysis section. So keep following this particular software, and this particular app will be given free of cost to all the seminarians, those who are joining the upcoming seminar. So upcoming seminar, those who are joining, for them this will be free, and this offer is free only for the upcoming seminarians. The Chennai event is going to happen on 16th September, 20th, 21st and 22nd September will be having the online batch. Currently, it is being enabled that it will be given free to the seminarians. And once it is have a commercial release, we will also fix the pricing of the particular tool. Thank you very much. Keep following us. And if you have any query related to this particular product, or if you want to purchase this particular product, then you just call to our sales number. Thank you very much.